there chillin', toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night. Yo, hit the boulevard, hear the tires screech. Soundtrack of the streets with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like it's 7, now we're built to outlast. Ayo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Sass keeps singing, let the bass line bop. Barbecues to moonlit tides, we shine bright on this retro ride that defines our life. Oh yeah. The cobblestones glisten, the city hums low. A drizzle soft whisper, where do thoughts go? The saxophone sighs in a soulful lament. A moment of peace that feels heaven sent. Through bookstore windows, the stories unfold. Between dusty pages, the wisdom of old. The jazz dances gently, it carries the breeze. Philosophy lingers in moments like these. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say. Oh, what is a thought but a cloud in the sky? It drifts and reforms, and it bids us ask why. We walk through the chapters, our lives intertwine with the hum of the world and this rhythm divine. Cafe lights shimmer, their glow softly spills on lovers and loners and lifelong ideals. Each sip of the moment is brewed with intent. The flavor of life with a note of content. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say.
City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest, waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take, falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a pale lit room. My guide. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets low. Say what? Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Sing so smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night. Yo, hit the boulevard, hear the tires screech. Soundtrack of the streets with that funk in reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like it's 7, now we're built to outlast. Ayo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop. Sass keeps singing, let the bass line bop. Barbecues to moonlit tides, we shine bright on this retro ride that defines our life. Oh yeah.
On the corner where the shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp, steady burn. Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line. Lost souls search searching, trying to redefine echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Truth raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings, street symphonies when the corners sing.